Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Crude oil prices fell 1% as weak US consumer confidence data fueled worries about the economic outlook and added to demand concerns after a slow start to the US summer driving season. The US dollar rose, bolstered by hawkish comments from Federal Reserve officials, as well as data showing a stable housing market in the world's largest economy, both suggesting that the central bank will not be in a rush to kickstart its rate-cutting cycle. Bybit Exchange has flipped Coinbase to become the world's second-largest cryptocurrency exchange. Since October, the exchange's market share has surged from 8% to 16%.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. The US new home sales at 14 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 5 GMT. The French consumer confidence will be released at 6:45 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 23:50 GMT. Japan's retail trade at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.